Hello and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James bringing to you a video on a BMW X5 today. So guys, let's have a quick walk around the outside of the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the tech and options. This vehicle does benefit from BMW's own Mperformance kit, which you can see consists of that lovely carbon fibre front splitter, as well as the gloss black kidney grills. It has the Angel Eye and an Xenon headlamps. It also has, if we move around to the side, we have the stunning 21-inch Stuttgart Msport Mperformance alloys. A very clean, tidy example throughout. We have the carbon fibre mirror caps, which ties off very nicely with the kit. Inside the car, we have a stunning all-black leather, which is in the front, electric, memory and heated. We also have the ambient lighting package on this vehicle. How well you can pick that up on there. However, at night this really does make the car look superb. A very nice, pleasant place to be. Of course, being the X range, the rear space is humongous, as well as just having a humongous boot as well. Open up the tailgate. It is of course a fully electric opening and closing tailgate, as well as being a split folding system. So there we have that humongous boot. Of course the seats do also fold down as well if you are requiring that little bit of extra room. Once again, that boot being fully electric opening and closing. There we have the carbon fibre rear diffuser. A very clean and tidy example. We have had this vehicle in for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and we have had a lot of interest in it. However, we have currently had quite a few X range vehicles in. However, we are just down to 2 X5s now, guys. Be a perfect vehicle ready for the winter if we are expecting a particularly harsh one with the four-wheel drive capabilities of this car. So we'll jump inside and I'll show you through some of the options and spec. So as I mentioned, it has the ambient lighting package throughout. We also have BMW's superb professional media navigation pack. So there is the sat nav. We have the Bluetooth communication and media package. We have DAB radio. I have a wide range of multimedia, it's including that lovely music collection, which is where you can store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive. It has the 8-speed sport gearbox with the flappy pedals. We also have cruise control, speed limiter, voice recognition, voice activation, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We also have a electrically adjusted steering wheel, as you can see there. It has only covered just over 35,000 miles, and this vehicle is priced and ready to drive away at 31,891. Very well priced, and we have just reduced the price a little bit, ready to get you into a next range vehicle ready for the winter. It also features the power folding mirrors, very useful feature on a vehicle like this, especially with the stunning carbon mirror caps as well. So of course we can offer some superb rate finance here at Your Next Car, which that finance can be done over the phone or in-house if you do wish to pop down. For any further information on this particular BMW X5 or any of our other current stock, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Okay guys, that's just about it from me here at Your Next Car on this stunning BMW X5. As I say, for any further information, give us a call, or you can email us at yournextcar@icloud.com. And one of our sales executives will be with you as soon as they can. Okay guys, have a great day, thank you and goodbye.